What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how you can save up to 38.5% on your retail arbitrage purchases at Kohl's. Stay tuned. First things first, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click that thumbs up button for this video. That'll really be appreciated and help me make more videos like this for you. Now let's go ahead and show you how you can save lots of money on your retail arbitrage purchases at Kohl's. Kohl's is an excellent place to do retail arbitrage. By following these steps that I'm going to provide you, you can hack Kohl's for maximum retail arbitrage profits, up to 38.5%, depending on where you're shopping at Kohl's. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Number one, become tax exempt at Kohl's. By becoming tax exempt, you can save up to 13.5% on sales taxes, depending on where you live and where you're shopping at Kohl's. And it's very easy to become tax exempt at Kohl's. All you have to do is take your business tax exempt certificate, which means you're going to have a registered business and you're going to have to register for a sales and use tax exemption through your state. Now, how to do that, you're going to have to follow the specific rules for your state. So if you do a Google search for sales and use tax exemption in your state, you should be able to find that. But once you have that certificate, just take that to customer service and tell them you need to register to make tax exempt purchases. They will collect all the information that they need and enter it into their system. In the future, when you go to Kohl's and you go to checkout, don't go to the cash register. Go to customer service and check out at customer service and just tell them that you need to make a tax exempt purchase and you're already in the system. They'll just ask you for your tax exempt ID, your tax exempt sales and use number, and they'll punch that in the system and your purchase will be completely tax exempt and therefore saving you up to 13.5% on the sales tax depending on where you live and where you're shopping. Number two, using Kohls Cash. So Kohls Cash basically will allow you to save up to 20% on your purchases at Kohl's. And how Kohls Cash works is you get $10 in Kohls Cash for every $50 that you spend at Kohl's. And you'll get this automatically when you check out. You can make sure to maximize this by, if you're close to a $50 increment, because it increases by $10 for every $50 increment. So if you spend $50, you get $10 in Kohls Cash. If you spend $99, you get $10 in Kohls Cash. But if you jump up to $100, then you're going to get $20 in Kohls Cash. You're going to want to pay attention to where you're at and maybe bring an extra item, because if you're close to that next $50 increment, you're going to want to jump up to get that extra $10 in Kohls Cash. What you can use Kohls Cash for is the next time you come in, it'll have a date range on the certificate that you can redeem it. And the next time you come into Kohl's, you can use that on a discount towards your next purchase. So that'll give you up to 20% discount on your next purchase when you're at Kohl's. Now, the big thing on Kohls Cash, I have one here, is that it has to be used in the specific date that it has listed here. Otherwise, you lose it. Now, this date is usually maybe a couple weeks out, 1 to 2 weeks out from when you made your last purchase. So you'll want to schedule your stops at Kohl's to be able to utilize this Kohls Cash that you're receiving. Third way to save at Kohl's, Yes2You Rewards. Now, what this is basically Kohl's Rewards or points system that they have set up. And with this, you get 1 point for every dollar that you spend, and 100 points is worth $5. So this is another way that you can get 5% more off of your purchases at Kohl's by collecting these points. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to Kohls.com and set up your account on Kohls.com and sign up for Yes2You Rewards. It'll have you enter your phone number, and then next time you're at a Kohl's store and you're checking out, let them know that you want to use your Yes2You Rewards, and you'll enter your phone number and you will then gain those points that you'll be able to use on future purchases. So right there, you'll be able to save an additional 5%. Really easy, doesn't really take any additional effort. So there it is, your simple 3-step process for hacking Kohls and maximizing your retail arbitrage profits, saving up to 38.5%. Go ahead and click right here to subscribe to the channel and get more awesome videos like this. Down below, click that thumbs up button if you like the video, or thumbs down if you think this one sucks. Let me know in the comments what you think. Other than that, this is Todd Welch signing off of the Entrepreneur Adventure. Happy selling, everybody.